We're about to wrap up June, Henry, and now we're about to enter July in the next week or so. And today's high was way above average, 96 to 97, depending on where you're watching from in San Antonio. But at the airport, 96 was the high. Average is 93. That's where we should be stopping in late July. So it still is well above average. 102 is the record set back in 1994. Month-to-date rainfall is doing phenomenal. We're doing great, and we're helping to eliminate the drought that's across South Texas. Now, hottest June's on record. When you take the morning low and the afternoon high, average that out over 30 to 31 days. June 2022 is the hottest on record, average temperature at 88.1. So far, for San Antonio, for this June, 86.1 is where our temperature is averaging out, which does rank in the top 5 hottest Junes on record. It's just been so humid lately, and with last week's tropical rains, that has been helping out with the heat index and the elevated humidity values across the region. Now, right now it's 87 at the airport, 84 at Bernie. We have some lower to middle 80s down I-10. When you factor in the high dew point and the high humidity values, it feels more like the upper 90s. We're going to be in this routine where we see a large spread between our air temperature and the feels like. Similar to the last couple days, and here's radar, not too much action. A lot of that is clutter. We did see a few sprinkles try to move their way across Bexar County, but really starting to fall apart. We don't have a lot of upper level support for these showers, primarily driven by daytime heat. Hot air rising, you mix that in with humidity, that'll touch off widely scattered showers, mainly along the Texas coast. Same thing for tomorrow. There is a small chance that maybe 1 or 2 of them try to make a run for Seguin, Floresville tomorrow. But notice a lot of them fizzle out by the time they get anywhere near I-10. Tomorrow's forecast around 97 degrees, partly cloudy. Southeast winds not helping out at all, 5 to 10 miles an hour, so not much of a breeze out there tomorrow afternoon. Average high is 93. Watch what happens as we put this into motion. High pressure, our main player in the weather department. Between New Mexico and Texas, we see a brief break on Friday, not much though. It moves farther east by the weekend, and as it moves farther east, this will actually funnel in more dust in our direction. Now, this time of year, June, July, August, we'll watch the Atlantic Ocean for these waves of Saharan dust. And notice by this weekend, Saturday night into Sunday morning, our first round with another push of dusty skies by Monday and Tuesday this time next week. So it's something we'll watch in the forecast because this will impact Texas air quality with hazy skies and also some nice sunrises and sunsets. 14-day forecast, next several days, dangerous heat. Air temperatures trending right around 97 to 98. And then again, you tag on that humidity, it'll feel more like 104 to 108. Small chance at a coastal shower. Otherwise, we stay clear this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, 95 to 96. A little breezy on Saturday. That'll help with the humidity a little bit. By the early part of next week, as we progress into 4th of July, we're still trending way above average, middle to upper 90s and near 100 degrees for the early part of July.